Hello! Today we have a new item on our YouTube channel. Stay tuned and check it out. So, let's open and let's see how it works. Let's see what we have on this box. The AC adapter. These are the specifications of the AC adapter. And here we have our filament dryer. Here we have our DC plug-in with a rubber to protect the connection. And let's open. Here we have two holes that we can close for filament transportation to the printer. If you plan to use the filament dryer during the printing. We have 4 rollers, very well made. And here we have a fan. So this fan is powered by 12 volts and let's plug in to test it out. So now we're gonna connect our filament dryer, and here we have Portuguese filament Fil 3D made by Tucab. If you want to buy or want to know more about this Portuguese brand, here we have the website to check it out. So let's try to our filament dryer. Here you can see that came out from the LCD. The LCD functions, the LCD buttons are easy to touch. So let's install some filament on it. and do our review. As I have mentioned in the beginning, we have the possibility of the installation of two filaments. Here we have holes to pass the filament through the printer. Okay, I think it's on the wrong way. I think it's better to install like this one, on this way. Let's try it. Yeah, it's better this way. Definitely better. The filament roll quite well. I'm impressed. Let's take it out for a moment. And now we're gonna measure the noise level of this fan, this one. So let's close these two. Okay, and okay, so we're gonna use an application to measure the noise level of our SOVOL filament dryer. So okay, now let's power on and let's start. So as you can see, it's quite low, the noise that the fan produces. It's quite low, and you can see the display working here. So I really can recommend this filament dryer. I will let you know where you can buy on the link in the description. So if you are searching for a filament dryer, this could be a good option for a good price, where you can fit two filament rolls in once. So I really can recommend this filament dryer. Please don't forget to subscribe and help me growing this channel. And if you have some questions, some doubts, please ask on the comments. If you want more videos, please feel free to ask. I will do my best to upload new videos with more information for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being on that side. Thank you.